Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix Netflix stuck at 24% while loading.
Fix 1. Restart the Netflix app. Step 1. Close the Netflix app completely. Step 2. Reopen the app and try again. Fix 2. Restart your device. Step 1. Turn off your phone, TV, PC. Step 2. Wait 30 seconds. Then turn it back on. Fix 3. Check your internet connection. Step 1. Restart your Wi-Fi router modem. Step 2. Switch to a stable Wi-Fi or wire connection. Fix 4. Clear Netflix cache. Android TV. Step 1. Go to Settings, Apps, Netflix. Step 2. Tap Clear Cache. Don't clear data. Fix 5. Update the Netflix app. Step 1. Open Play Store and App Store. Step 2. Update Netflix to the latest version. Fix 6. Sign out and sign in again. Step 1. Open Netflix menu, sign out. Step 2. Restart the app and log in again.